12. Bunty bunks the school. Hello students. Some children will like to bunk the school and they want to play outside with friends. They tell different reasons to the teachers and parents to bunk the school. Some of the children will enjoy after bunking to school, but some of them are caught to the parents or teachers for their reasons. Children who caught to bunk the school will get punishments at home and school. In this lesson, you will learn story about the naughty boy Bunty who always thinks to do something different, who caught with an injection for his life. 12. Bunty bunks the school. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures. Can you say what they are? Tell your teacher the same. Bunty, father, mother, classroom, teacher, doctor, thermometer, injection. Grammatical awareness. Action words for just completed actions. Present time. We use present perfect tense for the actions completed few minutes back or in the immediate past. We can see the result of the action up to now. Singular. Has plus action word. Plural. Have plus action word. Note. Add en or ed to the action word. I have eaten an ice cream just now. I have not eaten an ice cream just now. Have I eaten an ice cream just now? We have already completed our homework. We have not completed our homework. Have we completed our homework? You have given your book to Money. You have not given your book to Money. Have you given your book to Money? He, she, it has not come to my place yet. Note, the result of the above actions is felt or seen even now. Bunty bunks the school. Reading. Bunty is a naughty boy. He always thinks to do something different, but every time he fails in his efforts. One day, his mother has sent him to school. He reached the school. The first bell has rung just then. The teacher has already entered the classroom. Bunty has no interest in studies. He has to go out of the school as he promised his friends that he would be back from the school in few minutes. Madam, I am not feeling well. I have to go home, he told the teacher. What has happened all of a sudden? The teacher asked. I have got fever in the morning, he said. Wait for few minutes, the teacher told Bunty and went out. She has come back in few minutes. I have spoken to your mother just now. You can go home, she said. Bunty is now in confusion. He has to go home as his teacher has already talked with his mother. He went back to his house. There in the house, he has seen his father. He has just returned from the market. Nothing has happened to you in the morning. His father said to Bunty, "Okay, I will take you to the doctor now." He has taken Bunty to the doctor. The doctor had just come to the hospital from his house. He asked Bunty to open his mouth wide. He has looked at the throat. He has examined his eyes. After that, he has kept a thermometer into Bunty's mouth. "Nothing to worry, just weakness." "I gave him an injection," the doctor said, and has struck the needle. Poor Bunty has a lost laugh. Say the right way. Listening and speaking. A. This section is aimed at improving the child's oral communication. Encourage the child to take up the role play.
Good morning, Dr. Ravi.
Oh, Mr. Venu, good morning. Come this way, please.
My son says he has got fever.
Come here, child. Sit down. Put your tongue out, Bunty.
Has he really got fever?
Let me check his pulse.
He has come back from the school.
Nothing to worry. He has no fever, just weakness.
What to do?
I will give him an injection.
Anything I have to do for him?
Mr. Venu, I am giving this medicine and a bottle of tonic.
How to take these?
Give this medicine 2 times a day and tonic 1 spoonful after each meal.
Thank you, doctor.
Listening and speaking. Stress the right way. B. This section is aimed at improving the child's pronunciation. Stress the capital letters in the word. Naughty. Effort. Enter. Promise. Happened. Confusion. Return. Thermometer. Injection. Spell and tell. Glossary. C. Know the meanings and opposites of the words. Word. Meaning. Opposite. Effort. Try. Attempt. Inactivity. Return. Come back. Go. Leave. Weak. Powerless. Strong. Write the right way. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. Vocabulary. 2. Watch and match. Match the words with the pictures. Vocabulary. 3. Fill and drill. Write the right spelling for the following words with the help of the pictures. Vocabulary. 4. Pick and tick. Pick the right one and tick it.